back with Mr. Josh too. Me and Mr. Josh are gonna do a confetti pop, or whatever this thingy-majiggity is called. Anyways, today we're gonna do this, and we're also going to do...
Drum roll.
A secret experiment.
Right. So what are we making today?
Confetti popper.
So how we do it?
So, actually I gotta show you our stuff. We got a bunch of balloons. Balloons.
4th of July balloons. What's that?
Some confetti, but you guys can make your own confetti, and we'll show you how to make your own confetti. We got a flag, but we don't need that for experiments. We got 2 different sized scissors. These are mine.
These are mine.
We got toilet paper roll thing.
Toilet paper rolls. Right.
We got some golden origami paper. We got some red and blue origami paper, but on the other side they're different colors.
What are we gonna do with that paper?
So we're gonna make confetti with it.
Confetti, right? Because it's got nice colors, right?
Yeah, and we got some stickers here, letters.
And we
These
got
are
some...
tissue papers that we're gonna put on here. Oh, they're kind of too big, but it's fine.
We'll decorate.
Yeah. And next we
And
got
last...
tape. No, I already showed that.
We
got glue and tape.
Tape. Excellent! Yay!
First, we take one of these. Then we take a balloon. Then we cut the top a little bit.
You tie it first.
Oh, I don't know how to do it. Oh, actually, sure I do. I don't know, but I do.
So you tie the top first.
I don't know how.
All right.
Help me. Help me.
I'll
Help
show you.
me.
I'm doing this one. Okay.
Ow.
This is how I do it. I just pull it.
Can you do? Yeah, you gotta do it. You do it. You do it.
And then
Do it.
I am. And then we pull it through.
Do it.
Right here. You bring your fingers through, and then you make a knot. Like that. Right? Okay, so now we got 2 knots, right? One there, one there. And then
now
what?
We gotta cut them the top, like a little bit.
Just a little bit off the bottom. Right?
Top. Can someone help me? Ow.
So,
My
you
scissors
gotta be
stuck.
very careful and cut off the top of the balloon
Any help?
so that there's a hole
Is
here,
help possible?
right?
Yeah. Next, I'm just gonna show you guys. We take the paper roll and put the balloon, like this part of the balloon, on it. But we also gotta make sure that it's put on tight. It's tidy pants. Instead of smarty pants, it's tidy pants. Oh, this is impossible. This is impossible.
So the way I do it is I just put the thing down, spread it out, and make it as tight as possible on the toilet roll, like so, right? And you pull it down nice and tight, and then to make sure it's on there nice and tight,
Really tight.
and it doesn't
Nice and
fall
tight,
off.
really tight. You gotta.
You wanna put some tape
Can I
forever?
put my own? Oh, you just gotta tape it on there. It's easy to put tape on. I'm gonna. Ooh!
Okay.
Ooh!
All right, now that we've got the balloons on there taped down really well,
Decorate.
now you decorate.
Yeah, but this is kind of too big.
Well, I'm using a big one here, so we're gonna test out a small one, and we're gonna test out a big one.
I don't.
So after you get the balloon on, and you get the balloon taped down, then you do the decorations. So I'm gonna use these napkins, these 4th of July napkins.
That's American flag.
American flag napkins, right? And you're just gonna tape it down here.
I think I'm gonna use the
Which one
white
are you gonna use?
paper.
The white paper? You're gonna do white? Okay, so then I'm just gonna cut that.
Because it tastes like white. Everyone loves white. Just saying. Everybody loves white.
popper. And then you fill it up with
confetti. But we will show you how to make the confetti.
And then you pull it, and then...
So this is my thing. So I'm gonna write July with these letters.
4th of July. Let me try some of this. Just for an experiment. I'm gonna throw some letters in there. Just to see how it works. Pull it down, and just a little bit.
Yeah, it's hard for them.
But it looks like it will work though.
It's easier to...
Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Okay, and then we have a small one.
Guys, I'm done. Look, so this is how it's gonna work. Boom. Boom.
And what does yours say?
4th July, exclamation mark. That's not really an exclamation mark. That's just a 1 and a dot, but who cares?
Okay, well, how about we move on to...
That's a U. Oh my goodness, there's no...
How about we move on to the confetti?
Yeah, sure.
Should we cut up the confetti?
Good. Yeah, guys, I'm going to show you how to do the confetti. Anyway, guys, so this, first you got to cut it up like these little stripes and lines. Then all you got to do is just cut them up in little tiny squares.
Little strips, right?
Square.
All right, I'm going to cut the napkin up, and you're going to cut that up?
Oh, why are we going to cut the napkin?
Because I'm going to make my own confetti.
Okay, sure.
Out of this napkin.
And you're going to have to cut up a bunch of that. This.
So you...
Anyways, guys, actually, you're supposed to cut these lines tiny. The smaller, the better.
Smaller the better. Okay, I'm trying my best.
By the way, guys, subscribe to my channel, and this channel. Plus, this channel is about
Which
STEAM.
is, what does STEAM stand for?
Science, technology, engineering, art, math.
And math, that's right.
And smash that like button. Guys, now it's voting time. So, this one is mine. If you like it, in the comments down below, write Alex. And like it, smash it like a bam.
What about mine?
If you like this one.
Oh, that's my other one.
Yeah, if you like these.
Vote for me.
Yeah, just vote for Josh and put a like and write Josh in the comments. But I want a like. Give me my deserved like.
I don't know. I think this one was good.
Nah, I think this one's better.
This one's gonna go good with my little red, white, and blue. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow up some balloons, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we have here? We got a red and a blue.
Blue.
Okay. You're gonna blow one up.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see you blow one up.
Oh, it's so hard.
You gotta stretch it out a little bit, all right?
It's so hard.
Can't do it?
So hard.
What's an easier way of doing it?
Oh yeah. Oh, an easier way is...
We are going to cause a science experiment, correct?
Yes.
Okay. We are now going to show you how to blow up a balloon without touching it.
Welcome back.
And now we have all the ingredients to show you. So you need vinegar. You need a bottle. What's this?
Baking soda.
Some baking soda. You need a...
This? What's this?
Well, these are, I forget what you call these things.
Balloons.
And a teaspoon, right? So
That's
what
not
you
a
do,
teaspoon.
and
This
we're going to
is
call
more
it
of a science
a reaction. So the reaction is going to be, the vinegar is going to touch interact with the big baking soda, and then that will cause a reaction, then it'll generate, it's going to cause vapor, and it's going to blow up the balloon. Okay.
Okay, I think we're going to have to use a little bit more baking soda.
Okay, so while you do that, I'm going to pour some vinegar into this bottle
Never mind.
here.
We're good with the baking. That's maybe too much. Put it too much. Gonna have to help it get in there.
Alright, so you want to do maybe about a third of the bottle of vinegar. That's about all you need. So now we got a balloon full of baking soda. Now we're going to put it on top of the bottle.
Oh, a little bit more of this.
Okay. And then you want to just lift it up and dump it in. So go ahead, Alex. There's still more in there. There you go. Look at that go. Still more in there.
For now.
And there's the balloon. Blowing up without actually using your lips. Yay!
Yeah.
So this is our experiment. So this is part of our STEM, and this is actual science.
Steam.
So now we're gonna go outside.
Guys, anyways, so we're here and let's do the papa and happy 4th of July, la. This one is homemade. Well, that's
Okay,
fine.
this
I
is
just wanted
homemade,
to
and
do
we
this.
cut up little pieces of the origami paper.
And
right?
this is also homemade, but not the confetti.
This is actual store confetti that we bought from the store. And then we're gonna see which one does better. 2, 3. About even. This
It's
one.
so fun! 2, 1.
Oh no! Look at that.
You almost did it in my arm.
Okay, so that was cool.
I want to do this again. Subscribe to my channel. Watch some other videos. And smash that like button. Comment whatever you want to comment in the comments below. And plus,
And happy 4th of July.
yay!